Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to add a refund policy to your store as well as implement the refund policy on your website, guys. So basically in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to actually do that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into today's video. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to be on the Shopify home screen and basically navigate to the bottom left-hand corner of your screen where it says settings. Now from settings, you're going to want to go all the way down to policies at the very end of the options list right here. So go ahead and click that and you can see that the first item that comes up is the refund policy. Now you can go ahead and create from template, which I think is a lot more easier. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do. So basically once your refund policy is actually created, go ahead and save the refund policy. Now basically what you're going to want to go ahead and do from here now is you want to go ahead and implement it to your store just so that your website visitors can actually go ahead and see it. So basically what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to head over to online store, and from online store you're going to want to head over to navigation. Now from navigation, guys, you're going to want to go ahead and click on main menu, or if you want it on the footer menu at the very bottom, you can go ahead and also add it there too, but we're going to go ahead and add it to the main menu. So go ahead and click main menu and you're going to want to go ahead and add the menu item. Now you can see right here that our home, catalog, and contact sections are actually on here, but we're going to go ahead and add the refund policy. So click on add menu item, and below name, go ahead and search policies. And from policies, you're going to want to go ahead and click on your refund policy. Now you guys can see it gives it the name automatically. So from there, just go ahead and add it. And then go ahead and save any changes that you have made. And from here, your refund policy should be updated onto your store. So basically right now, we're going to go ahead and check that and see if our refund policy is here. And as you can see at the very top of our screen, our refund policy is actually here. Now we're going to go ahead and click on it and you guys can see that our template actually shows up here and it's actually really good. I really like these preset ones. These are pretty amazing and it pretty much saves you time from typing it and stuff. So basically that's how you go ahead and add a refund policy to your store as well as implementing it. Hopefully you guys leave the like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below your feedback of today's video, guys. Your feedback is very important so I know how to actually create the videos and how to produce these videos and stuff and basically change up stuff. So without further ado, guys, I'll see you guys for the next video.